Hey everybody, we are doing some wings on the Weber Kettle and we're using the Vortex to cook them. And here's the setup. I've got some drummies here. We're not going to season them. They're just going to be plain. And on the left here, I have some a dry jerk rub on these flats. I happen to be the flat fan, and Marilyn likes the drummies. So there's the Grace Jamaican dried jerk seasoning, and that's what's on those guys right there. I've got 6 flats with that. And I'm going to put this Grace Jamaican style jerk barbecue sauce on them once they get all crispy and cooked up. And then on the right side of this plate, I have some flats that I've seasoned with Cosmo's Dirty Bird right there, which is a great all-around seasoning for chicken, for wings, ribs too. And ultimately, those are going in the Culley's mild buffalo wing sauce, along with the drummies that Marilyn has here, that she is not going to salt or pepper or season at all. She's just going to cook them on the grill. So let's go outside. Out at the kettle grill, I've got about 3/4 of a chimney of charcoal going, which is about what's going to fit in this small Vortex. I've got a medium Vortex over here. I thought about using that, but it holds a boatload of charcoal, and for just doing 23 wings, I think the little guy is going to be fine. So I got enough charcoal to fill the small Vortex, and that's how we're gonna cook these wings today. Okay, we got 3/4 of a chimney full of charcoal, red hot. Now I gotta figure this out because you got a shot of this. This is the Vortex I'm gonna use. Get this out of the way. All right, here we go. Oh, hot, hot, hot. Fill up this Vortex. I got everything out of there. Yeah, man. All right. Be right back. Let me put this down. Wow. That is hot, hot, hot. That Vortex is amazing too. Now I got to figure out how to get this grate in place without burning my forearms off. I do have my new Super Duper Barbecue Pro gloves. All right. Now somebody said watch what this Vortex can do to your grate, and I'm willing to sacrifice the grate to see because because this is what I want. I want to use the Vortex. All right, I'm going to close the lid, and we're going to give this I don't know, 5 minutes. Open up my grates here, and then we'll put the wings on. Okay, you got the wings on. That Vortex is smoking hot. My grate in the middle is turning white hot, so I hope that survives. Over here on the left, starting at 11 o'clock, I've got the jerk. Going down to 6 o'clock, I've got the what's on there? Dirty Bird. And then Marilyn's plain drummies over there. So here we go. I guess I'm going to put the lid on because I need these guys to cook really, really well. We've done this before. It's just I haven't done the wings in the Vortex in a long time, so I'm a little rusty. No pun intended. Okay, 30 minutes in. We're still holding at 450. Let me get this off here. Now what I did was I spun the grate around because the drummies weren't getting any color. They're still really blonde. I kind of think it's because there's no seasoning at all on them, and now I'm sticking by. That's my story. I'm sticking by it. But I'm gonna, at 30 minutes now, I'm gonna go ahead and turn these around so the meat is more toward the fuel source. My original plan was to put the bones out so they don't, the bones in, so close to the heat they burn, but, or if something's going to burn, it'd be the bones. But all right, so anyway, let me turn these around. Let's get this meat closer to the heat source, see if that does anything. I mean, See if I can show you the color that's coming out on these other wings. Lots of color, but not so much on the drummies. All right, well, so that's where we're at. 30 minutes in. All right, we are 40 minutes in. I've got to get in here and turn these, flip these seasoned. Let's see, the little flats over here that are the Cosmos Q. Good Lord. Can't really reach across the heat. 1, 2, 3. Cosmos Q Dirty Bird. Wow, these are getting nice. Let's turn these guys over. Ooh.
It has to be a Monday or a Thursday.
Hot, hot, hot. Got bubblage on that one.
Oh, perfect. Me too.
Ouchie. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, they're cooking really nicely.
Yeah, that
They look
Vortex is
really
hot.
good.
40 minutes, and we'll come back in about another.
It's like super hot. Look at that.
Yep, I know. I'm worried about what it's going to do to that. But, oops. Tenor. This is silicone, but
Still melts.
it
Ready?
still could melt. Yep, go ahead and close it up. And we'll
I
come
missed
back in
out.
another
I had
10 or 15.
I had to get rid of it.
Okay, it's time to temp these guys. We are 1 hour and 5 minutes in. Let's see, I got a wow 200 on that one, which is good. Yep, 200. And come around here. 205, 210. Yeah, these babies are done. Been watching a lot of Vortex videos lately. It seems to be a popular thing right now, you know, in the 4th of July week, and I'd never get tired of watching people cook with the Vortex. So I'm going to take my jerk dry rubbed wings. I've got 6. I'm going to do, you know what, I'm going to do them all.
And this is the jerk barbecue sauce.
This is the jerk barbecue sauce. I'm going to actually put them closer to the heat.
Just
A
finish
little
them off.
sizzle there. Yeah. I thought about keeping 3. This is a really thick sauce too. This is the Grace jerk barbecue sauce.
It smells very aromatic, like jerk seasoning. Very allspicy.
You know what? I'm going to leave, just for the hell of it, 2 dry rubbed jerk. I should have put a little more extra jerk on here, but I didn't. That's all right. So that's it. I'm going to do 4 in the barbecue sauce, and the jerk barbecue, and I'm going to leave. Just put a little more of this Grace jerk on these last 2 over here. There and there, all right, just for the heck of it. Then I want to take those and put them in your barbecue sauce. So let's go get that, and we'll come back. Okay, now I'm going to take my little flats that I put Cosmos Q Dirty Bird on, and I'm going to throw them in the Culley's mild buffalo wing sauce.
Stand over there. You're in your own light.
Oh, I'm in my own light. Okay, thank you. Whoops. I forget to move the damn camera. This is hard, folks.
It requires some degree of coordination.
And I've got 6 of these guys, and I'm going to do all 6.
We tried this Culley's mild wing sauce in New York City
Right.
Hot Sauce Expo last year. Loved it, loved it, loved it. So
I think everything Culley's makes is awesome. They're out of Australia,
New Zealand. New Zealand.
Oh, New Zealand, thank
New
you.
Zealand, yeah.
But we have a lot of distributors here in the States. So Culley's is easily found, and you saw the bottle in the front of the video. So, all right, so I think that's it. And those are my 2 dry rubs. Those over here.
And then Marilyn's going to do hers later.
And you're going to do yours in the house.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, here are the fruits of my labor from that Vortex. Man, that Vortex just rocks. These wings are amazing. Okay, here's the jerk chicken. I got the jerk, Jamaican style jerk BBQ sauce here on the bottom right of the video. We've got a little bit of blue cheese and celery going on there, and then the couple of dry rubbed jerk wings. Okay, there. A little nice little tomato, cucumber, onion salad over there. So can't wait to dig into these. And then let me show you the other ones that I did. And here are my Culley's wings, Culley's mild buffalo wing sauce. Man, they just smell amazing, taste amazing because I already licked my fingers because they're finger licking good. Oops, I can't say that. That's somebody else. But beautiful color on these, and can't wait to dig into these. Okay, just gonna taste one of these jerk Grace, yeah, that the Grace Jamaican jerk rub. Let me get a bite here. Oh, wow. Ooh, that is full of flavor. The seasoning really brings on the aromatics, and then the barbecue sauce, the Jamaican jerk style barbecue, brings on the heat and the sweetness. That's a pretty cool combination. So, big thumbs up to those guys from Grace. I got to give a big heads up or a shout out because I've been watching a lot of Vortex videos. Phil and Florence just did one. Cook them with rye. Did some chicken legs, and then Brian Horseman. Brian did, I think he did some chicken legs too with the Vortex. It's a really fun appliance, and if you don't have a Vortex, you should get one and play with it and have fun with it because it really kicks butt on chicken wings. I really haven't explored much else with the Vortex, but I want to. So, hey, thanks for watching, everybody.
Wait.
Oh,
We're
what?
not done yet.
Oh, we're not done. Marilyn says we're not done.
We're not done yet.
All right, here comes a transition. Oh, Marilyn just came in from across the hall where she was taping a special. Hi, Marilyn.
Hi. We use the Vortex to cook these drummies as well. I put them right over the direct heat for a little bit, a little char on them. I toss them in this Culley's mild buffalo wing sauce. There's no other seasoning, no salt, no pepper, nothing. I just want this sauce to speak for itself. The Vortex does an amazing job cooking these wings though, and I'm a drummies person. So I am going to take a bite of this and let you know what I think. Again, I did not put these back over the fire. I just let the sauce soak into these wings. Look how perfectly beautiful they are, all soaked in and dry. Let's see. Beautiful bite through. For a mild sauce, this has got a little bit of heat in it, but man, the flavor is absolutely fantastic.
It does have nice heat. Very mild.
This is like your everyday, better than your everyday buffalo wing because it's not bitter, it's not sharp. It's got that buttery edge to it without having to add anything to it. Right out of the bottle, Culley's mild buffalo wing sauce is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I am so happy that we had this on hand from the New York Hot Sauce Expo. Get you some. This stuff is so good.
Yep, boom, bam. And you wanted to make sure that you took the wings off the grill and then tossed them in the sauce as if we deep fried them.
Right, and set it aside.
Instead of putting them back on the grill like I did.
Right.
And that's great. So, and you're happy with that?
I'm very happy with it. Delicious.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching our video. Cooking wings on the Weber Kettle with the Vortex. And check out the channels that I'll list in the, the notes below, because I was really inspired by them to pull the Vortex back out and then play with it and do this wing cook.
Better than fried.
Better for you.
Better for you and delicious.
Alrighty. So again, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe and please hit the bell to be notified when we do upload some new videos. I'm hoping to do more videos this summer, and we'll see you soon. This is Brian from Hot Sauce Daily and Marilyn checking out.
Bye.